Tandaan ko'y lubos na nahihirapan.
Asa naman itong birthday girl?
Puso at isip ko nanampalataya sa'yo. May pag-asa pa na darating.
Salamat ni Aisha, nag-sponsor sa isda. Nadako kay isda. Na yung palaya. Ngayon, nag-sponsor sa cake. Thank you, Lord. Kay kung walang tinigdanan, ihatag kinitanan sa Ginoo.
Sabi mo, manalig lang ako. Ikaw ang dakilang manggagamot ko. Tanging hiling ko lang, Panginoong Jesus. Kumaba pa sana ang buhay ko. Lumalapit at naniniwala sa'yo. Gagaling ako dahil sa tulong mo. Gagaling ako dahil sa
Programa sa atong adlaw ng kauhan ni Mr. Mrs. Milda. Milda, nakita mismo presensya. Salamat ka. Wala niyo ba sa kain ko? Ito. Sige ba sumiya ka?
Lead me by the hands and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other home that I can lead and find. Lead me, Lord. Lead me on my life. Walk by me. Walk by me across the lonely road until they face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life, you are my life. You're the love of my life. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your light. Love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Even though the times are never on my way, help me take the right direction. Take your wrong. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my God. All my days, all